Hi guys, I'm Nelo as always, Nelo with a beautiful face. Today I'll be sharing with you ways influencers and content creators make money online. The first way a lot of influencers are making so much money is via AdSense. This is basically a fraction of the advertising revenue that YouTube and Google receive from their clients. If you're a creator, you are being paid for marketing budgets. Let's say MTN as a brand allocated $20 million for advertising, and one of the platforms they may want to advertise on is YouTube. So if their ads play in front of your video, because they are paying YouTube, YouTube will give you a percentage of the amount they are receiving from MTN for using your platforms to promote sales. So to make this happen, you need views, you need audience, and you should also make sure your content aligns with advertisers' policy. Another way that influencers make money is via affiliate income or affiliate linking. I love this one because anyone can do it. To do this, you don't need a large audience or platform. All you need to do is to be a fan of something and you should share it with people. If someone buys that thing, you get a commission for providing insight into that product and causing a sale to happen. If you're a creator, please make sure you are using affiliate. You don't need 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 watch hour to make this happen. Another way influencers make money is via sponsorship. So how this works is that a brand will reach out to an influencer or creator and ask if he or she is interested in promoting or marketing their product. It's up to the influencer to accept or decline. A creator, on the other hand, may reach out to a brand and pitch themselves to the brand to tell them that they can create for them. Another way creators make money on YouTube is via paid appearances. Like some brands pay influencers to show up at their events. These creators or influencers get paid because they've become brands of their own. You get paid for taking pictures at events and providing credibility to brands. So you can imagine taking your bath in the house, putting on some makeup, and you appear at an event and get paid for taking pictures and smiling at people. Like, this is one of the easiest ways you can make money as a creator. All you need to do is to make sure you have a good brand and companies will reach out to you to come to their events. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just thought to give you insight into various ways we can make millions as creators. Feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below.